Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful dilly shrimp salad. First, I'm going to get my produce and wash it. We have tomatoes, dill, butter lettuce, English cucumber, and red onion. Now let's make the vinaigrette, which is so easy. 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, more or less to suit your taste, a bit of fresh cracked black pepper, and now we're going to mince up a 1/2 ounce of dill. Add the dill to the vinaigrette. Mix the vinaigrette well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use a light olive oil or any oil that does not have any flavor. Add the vinaigrette to 12 ounces of jumbo cooked shrimp. Stir the shrimp around in the vinaigrette. These were previously frozen, but you can always do a quick steam with raw shrimp. Just make sure that they are cool before adding the vinaigrette. While we prepare the rest of this dish, we will occasionally stir the shrimp around so that they can soak up the flavor of the vinaigrette. Set them to the side. Let's get the cherry tomatoes and slice them in half. Give the shrimp a stir. Take the red onion and slice thin. Stir the shrimp. Slice the cucumber in small bite-sized pieces. Now, let's put the salad together. Put the shrimp and the vinaigrette with the vegetables and mix well. This is such a beautiful salad, so we really want to dress it up. Get out one of your favorite serving dishes and put the salad in. Arrange some of the shrimp in a line down the middle of the salad. Then line the outer rim of the dish with butter leaf lettuce. There it is, family, a beautiful, delicious dilly shrimp salad. I hope that you all enjoy this wonderful recipe. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.